So here I am again, and I'm just checking what it's downloading. It downloaded 58 megabytes. They appear to be LX packages. Quite a bit of installing for a minimal system. I'm kind of curious whether it's installing it to the SD permanently or if it's just taking a long time for other reasons. Maybe it's going through a more exhaustive install and then removing things, but I have to say I kind of thought it would be more ready out of the box. But we'll see how it runs when it actually loads, so I won't really compare the install process to the actual performance, but I will hopefully see how it runs and maybe it will run faster. Hopefully this is just more of a maybe this is more of an optimization step, who knows.